Welcome to Pinch of Taste. Let's make chicken nuggets. Ingredients: add 1 kilogram boneless chicken in chopper, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, ½ teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 3 bread slices, 1 tablespoon mustard paste, chop on high speed until bind completely. Transfer mixture into bowl. Grease hand and dish with oil. Shape mixture into nuggets form. Dip in egg and coat with breadcrumbs. At this stage, you can freeze and store them for later use. Fry on medium heat. Cook from both sides. Fry until turns golden brown. Remove on paper towel. Juicy homemade nuggets are ready to eat. Look how tempting these are. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.